Hello! At World Strides, we love to encourage students to learn through exploring and actively participating while they are on their educational travel programs. We also know that students are digital natives who have access to anything and everything just by tapping their devices. So, we've developed a digital discovery journal for Ottawa that they can use to further engage with their destination, whether they are visiting the Rideau Canal, Parliament Hill, or the Canadian War Museum. Whether on your travel program or in class, the Ottawa Discovery Journal can be used on multiple platforms. It can be used on any mobile device and it is desktop friendly. The table of contents can be used to jump to the sections you want to view, and each page allows you to jump back to the table of contents for easy navigation. The journal features pop-ups and additional links to digital-friendly content, engaging activities, and even videos. You can access these by clicking or tapping for mobile various icons. If you want to learn some cool facts, tap on the blue star. Tapping the question mark will lead to discussion questions that encourage thought about your personal experiences or the experiences of others. The light bulb icon leads to fun activities that you can do on your own or with your peers. The magnifying glass will lead you to more information about a variety of topics. Simply click or tap to close the pop-ups. The content of the Discovery Journal are site-specific to Ottawa and designed to help students engage with what they are seeing and learning and not to detract from their on-site experiences. We know reflecting and making connections are important parts of learning new things. The content in the Discovery Journal can help students do exactly that. By using Google Keep, the students can journal their responses, take notes, or create a travel diary as they explore. You'll find it linked throughout the journal. The account is free and links to an existing Google account, or it's easy to set up a new one. Students can collaborate with peers, draw, and add photos among many other fun and interactive features. When does it make the most sense to use the Discovery Journal? Maybe you're looking for a way to engage students on a long bus ride, or maybe you're facilitating discussion at breakfast before you head out for the day or at the start of class. The Discovery Journal offers flexibility for you and what works best for your students. The World Strides curriculum and academics team recommends three primary ways to use the Discovery Journal. It can be used pre-programmed to get ready for the trip and to help generate excitement, familiarity, and background related to particular sites and themes. When used on program, the activities and content will support student engagement and can be used to generate discussion questions, dig deeper into certain sites, and provide activities and exercises for many locations. After the program, the journal can help to connect back to the classroom and engage with the curriculum that connects you to your experiences in Ottawa. If you use this Discovery Journal during your travel program, don't forget to fill out the feedback survey. We'd love to know more about how you use it and how we can optimize it for the best possible experience. The survey can be found on the last page. We hope you find this resource useful, engaging, and fun. Have a wonderful travel program in Ottawa.